Your net worth is your net worth.
Hi viewers, how are you? You are thinking about why these people are here. Why these people are here? Let me tell you why. We are having an event. It is called Apex Cleaning Drive, organized by S&P Global Pakistan. And I would like to tell you, there are lots of activities and we are going to enjoy. What are these activities?
Let's see. Scavenger hunt. Plantation drive. Cleaning drive. Hiking.
Yeah, I think it's a good hike and people have earned this breakfast today, so they're definitely gonna enjoy it. We've got a variety of things, the regular desi nashta as well as something on the sides that should really end on a high note. So that's why we selected this place, Chathas, in F10. So hopefully people will enjoy and have a great day.
Yes, it's looking cool.
Thanks for watching.